Hello my dear followers, this is Bushcraft Bear speaking to you in a new video here from the Canary Islands, La Palma. We have got a volcanic eruption today, 19th of September, year 21. Over here I can see some smoke, I see fire, I hear a noise similar to a thunderstorm. I grabbed my few things and drove up here on this hill to see what's going on over there. The volcanic eruption is on the southwest of the island. There are many other peoples here on this hill looking what's going on. Everything is okay so far. People are calm and quiet, friendly as always. There's no panic or something. We had a lot of earthquakes in before, many thousands of earthquakes, and scientists are here on this island to view everything, and so we were in yellow alert. We have green, yellow, orange and red. So today now it will be red alert. And everything is managed before, so I hope everything will be good. I don't know what will happen in the future. Another problem is I think that the forest will burn. Yeah, that's what I can say for now. So I didn't feel any earthquakes at all. The biggest earthquake we had this early morning with 4.2 Richter scala, and there is a huge cloud over there. It's a white cloud, so maybe it's a water. Maybe again the location of the volcanic eruption. Here we have Los Llanos. Here we have above Los Llanos El Paso. And over there is Fuencaliente, and down to the coast we have Puerto Naos. I will keep you up to date what is happening over here, so stay tuned. The cars over here are still driving, streets are open, everything is normal.